Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. This, my friends, is a lifted, rough country lifted. I want to say a 6-inch lift. Let's just double check. Then get on with the video. Yes, 6-inch lift, rough country, suspension lifted, 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. You ready? Check it out. LTZ Z71. That's right. LTZ Z71. Bose sound system, beautiful wheels. Guys, these are a 22 by 12 XF off-road wheel. Beautiful on a 33 1250 22-inch tire. And guys, they got nipples. Yep, break those nipples out. It's freezing out here. You can see the nipples are standing straight up. It's freezing out, but brand new tires up front. Back's got about 75% tread, I want to say. So the front, I just bought these. These are brand new. So beautiful truck, set up very nicely. Got the bullet style antenna, factory step rails, blacked out windows. It's a black on black. Yep, black interior, black exterior, black wheels. Lund bed cover, vinyl bed cover, spray and bed liner. Kind of a little dirty back here, but don't mind. Backup camera. It does have taillight covers. I took them off. They just Velcro right there. I'm gonna make this video short, quick, and sweet. Back seat folds up. There's your taillight covers. They just clip right on. Very easy. Black leather interior. Factory or floor mats are pretty nice. Seats are in great shape. No sunroof. There's your Bose sound system right there. Miles, 132,082 maintained miles. Backup camera, pedal adjustment, bed light, all the goodies and gauges. Your tire thing is, oops, that's my tire shine, but your tire wheel lock is right there. Head sunglasses holder, rear sliding electric window. Z71 branded with the carbon fiber look into the gauges. Automatic headlights, power windows, locks, folding mirrors, you name it, power seats. Let's check the power play and rock and roll from there. Seats are in great shape, as you can see. Undercarriage is great. There's the VIN number, check it out. Front tire, as I stated, nipple still on the tires. Great shape. Frame's in great shape. Underside sticker still on the frame right there. Beautiful truck, runs and drives great. Inspected, maintained at the local Radley Chevrolet dealership right down the street from here. Check the hood, power plant, let's roll. Bug shield deflector right there across the whole front. Fluids are in great shape, all maintained, up to par, beautiful color, and shiny under the hood. You guys have any questions about this? Bad boy, give me a holler, 540-898-3025, or visit superiorwholesale.org. You can call or text me on my work cell phone, Monday through Friday, 540-848-2974. But once again, it'll be here on location, 11002 Patriot Highway, Fredericksburg 22408. That's in Virginia. Headlights are beautiful, factory projector LED. Absolutely gorgeous truck. Really nice and straight tough. I'm 6 foot tall. Stands up to me about right here, the Anthony gauge. That's why I labeled it. Big shout out to my boy right there. It's got the puddle lights. It's got the puddle mirror lights right here, so when you get in your truck, you can see down below. It's pretty cool. But yeah, it's a tough truck. Hit us up, 540-898-3025, or visit superiorwholesale.org. Factory exhaust, doesn't sound anything crazy. Does have remote start. Here's the key fob, starts up great right there. And that's all there is to it. Chevrolet bow tie in the back. Oops, on back right there. But yeah, that's it. See you guys later. Peace out.